Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to liquidate your Robinhood account in 2025. Whether you're looking to cash out your investments, switch to another platform, or just simplify your finances, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Robinhood app or website. If you haven't updated it lately, do that now. Robinhood often rolls out new features, and by 2025, you might see enhanced security options like biometric logins for added protection. Step 1. Review your holdings. Go to your portfolio and check all your stocks, ETFs, or crypto. Liquidating means selling everything, so decide if you want to sell all at once or gradually to minimize market volatility. Hit the Trade button, select the assets, and place your sell orders. Remember, in 2025, Robinhood could have advanced tools like AI-driven sell recommendations, so keep an eye out for those. Once your orders are placed, you'll need to wait for them to settle. This usually takes 1 to 2 business days, but always double-check the app for any updates, especially with potential 2025 regulations that might speed this up. Next, withdraw your funds. Head to the Account section, find the Transfers or Withdraw option, and link your bank account. Enter the amount you want to move. Be mindful of any withdrawal limits or fees that could apply. Robinhood might introduce fee-free withdrawals by 2025, but it's smart to confirm. Finally, if you're done with Robinhood, consider closing your account. Go to Settings, look for Account Closure, and follow the prompts. Don't forget to review any tax implications. Liquidating could trigger capital gains, so consult a financial advisor if needed. And there you have it. Liquidating your Robinhood account doesn't have to be complicated. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.